slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? RepKicks back here once again with another pickup. Today we're going to be taking a quick little look at this pair of Bred Patent Leather Jordan 1s. These are from YesKicks. They're a UA pair. If you're new to your channel and you like what you see, show some love for your boy, subscribe, drop a like on the video, turn on notifications, and last but not least, follow your boy on Instagram at RepKicks. With that being said, man, you know, shipping with this company takes about a week and a half, 2 weeks to get to you from the date you order. Generally, obviously, sometimes delays, whatever, but that's with everything you order from. So yeah, shipping is generally about a week and a half, 2 weeks. They double box, bubble wrap your stuff, so the box shouldn't get too damaged. Come from China, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So these are a UA pair of shoes. I don't condone buying any of the stuff that you see on the channel. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, like I always say. And without that out of the way, let's get into it. Frankly, I'm not even sure if this is a official colorway. I mean, I don't see why not, but I don't really keep up with sneaker releases too much anymore unless it's something crazy. So I just liked what I saw, so I copped them. But yeah, so here is the website, and then the email, and then the WeChat, which you can use to contact them as well. And if you use the code RevStuff, you can save yourself $15 on anything site-wide with your first order. Like I said, I don't condone buying any of the stuff you see on the channel, but you guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, like I always say. So that's that. Let's put the shoes to the side real quick, take a little gander at this box. Just a regular Jordan 1 box. You can see it's kind of shiny, you know, to kind of go along with the patent leather of the shoes. Over on the side here, Air Jordan 1 Retro High, black gem red patent Bred. These are size 13, they're my size. I'm like a 12, 13, depends. If I can get my hands on 13, I will. If not, 12 usually fits. So yeah, everything else, regular Jordan 1 box, not gonna go too crazy in depth on that. Inside the box, just white paper, blah, 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 and that's that. So nothing crazy given to you with these shoes. So starting off with the little accessories real quick, you got this gold Jumpman tag right there. I mean, it is what it is. Obviously, this included. I wouldn't wear it with them, obviously. These are kind of like the Soulfly ones, patent leather, but obviously a different colorway. Then for the other accessory, you get a pair of white flat laces, and then you get a pair of red ones as well, and then the black pair that's actually started up on the shoe itself. So it says family here. I don't know what that means. Maybe these are friends and family pick or pair, maybe of maybe the Soulflies. I don't really know. Let me know in the comment section down below if this is even an official drop. Make me look a fool on this fucking video, but nonetheless, they're a dope ass pair of shoes. Fuck with them. You know, overall pretty clean. Some flaws I do see right off the rip would be glue marks there. Pretty obvious. I don't know if you'd be able to get it off, but yeah, it's pretty obvious on the patent leather, at least when the light shines. When the light doesn't shine, maybe not too bad, but yeah, when the light shines, you can definitely tell. Beyond that, wow, these like really smudge because of the leather, kind of blows, but yeah, besides that, overall looks good. Shape of the shoe, you got that white midsole, red bottom, Jumpman or Jordan wings logo. Looks good. This side, same thing. Let's see if anything stands out. Oh, that just smudges off. So yeah, that's that. These would be a bitch to clean, honestly, now that I'm like touching them and stuff. Holy. But yeah, I mean, stitching looks straight, looks proper all over. It's just really that like one little glue mark that I pointed out, at least on the left shoe, that is kind of like a flaw. You can see stuff like that in retail pairs as well, as always, but yeah, you got the Nike Air tag on the tongue, black tongue, underneath all that branding stuff we're used to seeing on the ones. Got a shoe tree in there, red Nike Air size tag as well. Sorry for the focus. Trying to get y'all in there so you can see. Oh, there's that. Like I mentioned, it does have family embroidered on there. So yeah, these might be a Soulfly friends and family or something like that that I just didn't read up on or something. I don't really know. Yeah, that's pretty much the left shoe. Looks good to me. Right shoe, same thing obviously. Check for any obvious marks. No glue mark in that spot like the other ones, or at least if there is as bad. Wings logo right there. Overall, stitching's clean on both shoes, so nothing really to complain about in that aspect. Inside the shoe on this one, same thing, literally the exact same. You got the family embroidering and Nike here on the bottom with the flat laces. Shoe tree, yeah, it's not really a whole lot going on this shoe, honestly, as flashy as it looks. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it for this video. Not gonna go over really anything else. A simple pair of Jordan 1s, like, it's not that much details that go into these shoes, at least. So let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see some more stuff, stick around, subscribe, show some love, drop a like on the video, turn on notifications, follow me on Instagram. And with that being said, guys, have a blessed day, stay safe, and I will try to pump more videos out. Stay tuned for more. I catch y'all in the next one. Peace.